Hi guys, I'm here with some mango seeds. I'm going to plant these and I'll show you what they look like. Okay, I've got this and I'm going to put it in the plant here.
What is this?
Please don't do that. This has its stems, so I'm going to plant it, I'll show you, kind of on its side, covering up the root and leaving well, not really on its side, kind of diagonally in there, straight down, I should say. And I'm going to let this stem rise up. So it's going to be like that. And I'll water it. Now these are the ones I planted last time. So you can see how quickly they grow. And you could actually use a time release. They grow so fast. Here's another one. Now this one, there's this shoot coming out of there, so I'm just going to plant this one in here like this. I'm actually going to cover it like that, and that shoot will come out. I'll show you. This one too is coming out there, so I'm just going to and then last one for this, and there's the top, so I'm just going to put them in there. This pineapple is slowly rooting. See, this is a slow one. I want to keep them in there for a little bit more. Avocado progress. It's very slow growing and you've got to be very patient, but you can see the green in there. So he's got to go back in. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'll give you the progress update on these guys in just a little bit. Okay? Thanks for watching.